Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with a humongous haul from Create and Craft. They had a big event for the 21st birthday and I couldn't resist the deals that they had on. It's not somewhere I generally go purchasing from, but like I say, they had really good deals. And as you can see, there's lots of different parcels, and that's because from what I gather, each company sends out their own products. It's not like Create and Craft sends the products out, they just like put it on the TV basically. So I've been waiting for all these parcels to come. So they have been opened, but they're still brand new. I've not used them. I just needed to check what was coming through, and now that they're all here, I'd love it to share with you what I actually got. So I'll grab this first envelope here, and as you can see, it's an all on Create, and these are the dies, and this one is called Country Circles, and you've got lots of numbers here, some hearts, and they're just all like quirky. You've got these frames here, and on the back you can see the exact what you get there. So you've got an innie and an outie die, and like I say, all that different types of die, and I just love the quirkiness of this. And then we've got another circle one. That other one was 38, this one's 39, and this one's called Infinity. And again, we've got lots of stuff, and there's 11 dies in here. So we've got just a straight circle here, a funky edge one here, and then lots of different weird, strange, don't know, dies. They're just all weird, strange shapes really, like splats, and you've got the word art, and they're just really good for mixed media. And then we've got number 40, which is called Symbol Tally, and again I'll turn it over, and in here you actually get 62 dies, which is just crazy. So you've got an inner here, an outer here with the funky edge, and then you've got lots and lots of like numbers and stuff like that in there. I can't believe there's 62 dies there, that's crazy. Let's get this envelope out of the way. Oh yeah, this is another all in Create. There's quite a lot in this one, and a lot of it is quite a lot of ephemera, because they actually had these ephemera packs free for, I think it was £8 or something like that. So I couldn't resist that, because I think they're about £8 each per pack anyway. So the first one we've got is called Pale Winged, and it's number 34, and we've got lots of beautiful butterflies. I'm going to whiz through these just because there's so many. Then we've got 35, which is called Census, and there's like lots of words in there. And then we've got 36, which is List Sentiments, and they're all coloured, these ones, whereas the other ones wasn't. Then we've got 38, which is called Dream Drops, and they're obviously much bigger than what's on here. I actually quite like this smallness of these, and I wish they'd bring out some ones that are tiny like that, because I just think they're cute. Because like, look at the size of that rainbow there to the rainbow here. So yeah, I really wish they'd bring out some tiny ones. Then we've got 39, and this is called Mad Scientist, and you've got like light bulbs and the pots for all the chemicals, light bulbs, more the science symbols, the DNA symbol. There's so much in there. And then we've got number 10, which is called Grow Baby Grow, and it's just all like garden related. Then we've got another butterfly one here, and it's called Mosaic Feelers, and this is number 41. Again, lots of different coloured butterflies. Sorry about the glare, I'm trying to avoid it. And then we've got Fungal Trips, which is number 45. And you can see like they've got some more like scientist bottles, and some luggage and stuff, some mushrooms in there. And then we've got the Chromatic Fantastic, I think that's what it can't say, number 46. Again, you can colour all these up to your desire, or leave them that way if you wanted. Then we've got number 28, and this is Aerial Beauties. Again, lots of butterflies, and there's quite a lot in these packets as well. And then we've got Leery Wings, this is number 33. and again lots of butterflies, so definitely not going to be short of butterflies. And then we've got admirals again. Look, see there's 45 pieces in this one, and this is number 32. And then we've got number 31, which is Winged Delights, and this is probably my favourite out of all of them. And then we've got Stems and Pods, and this is number 12. I love this one as well, and that isn't a pun by the way. And this is Flying Hearts, number 18. So I think that's all the ephemera. And then we've got some more dies, which is on the same line as the circle dies, but these are square ones, and this is number 41. Again, we've got a straight edge circle, square, and a funky square, and some butterflies and some outlines and some foliage going on there. And that was, I said that was 41. This is number 42. Again, we've got two funky innies and outie squares, some more leaves, and some more different butterflies. Then we've got 43, and we've got two squares again, an innie and an outie, more foliage and more butterflies, and all the butterflies are different. Oh, we've got some more ephemera here. So we've got number 24, and this is Outline Florals. And then we've got number 22, and this is Life Flutters. So you even got some like little writing things there, so that's cool. Then we've got number 23, and this is Light, Life and Love. So I love this little bee here. Then we've got number 25, and this is Floral Confetti. Really big flowers there. And then we've got Colour in Flight, and this is number 29, and there's more butterflies. And then even more butterflies, which is Achromatic Acrobats, and that is number 30. And then we've got these little tiny stamps here. We've got number 1156. I'm not even going to go through the numbers, I'll just say the names. This one's called Numero Uno. Then we've got Cirque, so like Cirque du Soleil, I guess. And then I've got this is what really caught my eye, another pun, not intended, and this is called First Sight. And then we've got this one, and this one's called Eiffel. I actually think this one would be cool to be at Second Sight, to be fair, but I'm not the one who names them. And then we've got ABC, CBA. I love that. And then we've got strips. And then we have Franklin. And then Trio Cirque. And then we've got Shreds. And the last one is Expressions. So I think that was it for the All and Create. Then we've got, let's just do this little one. Oh, I got the Distress Ink in Scorched Timber. Unfortunately they didn't actually have the oxide, so I'm still missing the oxide on that one. And then in here we've got a tonic parcel. So we've got the Treasure Trunks gift box and die set, and it makes these beautiful secret boxes. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to make that. And then we've got another one that's very, very similar, and this is the Twist and Lock gift box. They're just going to be so cute to make, and you could put like Christmas presents and birthday presents in there. And then I've got some smooth card in bright white, another bright white. Then I've got an ivory, another ivory, and then two jet black. So I think that was that for there. And we've got another big parcel here. This was the Tim Holtz deal that they had going, so I got that. and this is just called set 60, and these are like the layering stencils, and on here are the patterns that you get. And then we've got set 59, set 58. I just love all the different things you can do with stencils. Like, I never used to use stencils, and then last year it became my New Year's resolution to use them, and I use them so much now. I can't believe I left them. Again, I don't know the names of any of these. Oh, this one's called Spots. This one's called Shapes 1. This one's called Floral. This one's called Label. This one's called Alpha. And this one's called Wheel. Feather. Leaf. And Shapes 2. And then we've got the new stamps from Tim Holtz as well, and this one's Abstract Florals 79, and they're not something I would normally go for, florals, but I quite like them. And then we've got Paint by Numbers, and I loved the distressedness of these, so I'm really excited to have a go. And this is definitely my favourite out of all the stamps, and this is the Curiosity Shop, and you've just got so many different type of things on here. You've got sentiments, light bulbs, typewriters, the hands, the hearts, the numbers, just so much going on. And then we've got Forgotten Garden, which is so cute. And then we've got Trims. So that was the Tim Holtz bit. And then I think this is the last box we've got here, and this is all Pink Frog. I've never really bought Pink Frog like from Pink Frog. I've bought a few bits at craft shows and stuff, but I've never actually purchased, and I watched one of the films and I was like, wow, I really need that in my life. So the first thing I got was these glue bottles, which I'm hoping I actually use these ones at the moment from Crafter's Companion, and they're just driving me potty because they don't last that much long because it's the glue, and then they get all clogged up. She guarantees these don't clog up, so I'm hoping that's the case, and if that's the case I will buy more of those. And then they had a deal on the red liner tape, which was just crazy not to get it because I go through like this no tomorrow. And there's 30 metres on each of these, and we've got a 6mm, a 9mm, a 3mm and a 12mm, so I've got plenty to go out there. So much red liner tape, because when I do, she's right, when I get the 5 metre rolls, they don't last me 2 minutes. So, and then I fell in love with the stamps because I love doing mini albums and stuff like that, so these are just going to be perfect for it. So we've got all these words: life, capture, live, with all your heart, laugh, and there's just so many words. And this one's called Memories and Moments. And then we've got another one with lots of words, and this one is called Remember When. And I love like you're getting all the little extras like the hashtag and stuff. And then you've got family and friends. And then we've got Time to Travel. And this was my one I wanted because I really wanted this camera stamp. And this one is called Life on Camera. And then I also got the collal glue for the photos. So they was on offer for 3 of them, so I got those, because you need that decent photo glue so when you're putting photos in. And then we got this memory folio centimetres version folio kit, and you've got all the paper in here, all the card in here that you want, and you could choose the colours you wanted, and I wanted this one. I think it was tonal, yeah, tonal. And you get 60 sheets, and this will make you do folios. And then you also got all this card with that deal as well. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 50 sheets of the black, true black card. And this is meant to be really good card, so I'm really intrigued to see how that goes. So that was my haul, guys. I actually got through it a lot quicker than I thought I would have done, to be honest. But I hope you've enjoyed it. I would love it if you would please comment and subscribe, and hopefully I shall catch you in a new video. Bye.